Welcome back to day 2 to Observing Nature with me. Today I'm going to show you 2 video clips that I took. But first, we're going to review some vocabulary. When we talk about nature, we can use verbs such as I see, I hear, I spot, I notice, I observe, or when we write about it, we might use them in the past tense. I saw, I heard, I spotted, I noticed, I observed. Watch the first video clip and then tell someone, what did you see? What did you notice? Or you can write down your observations and share them with someone later on. Are you ready? You can click on pause so that you can share your observations before you watch the second video. Are you ready to watch the second video? Again, observe and share your observations with someone or write them down so you can share them later on. If you want to see more, check back tomorrow. I hope you had fun. Bye!